remember you're amazing, you're a miracle, you're divine. You've arrived. The forest welcomes you just as you are. The rain begins to fall gently, brushing through the trees. There is nothing you need to do right now. No roles, no pressure, just listen and breathe. Inhale slowly, hold, exhale everything. Let go of the day. Let go of the noise. Inhale deeply through your nose. Remember, you're amazing. Hold and remember, you're a miracle. And exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale calm, exhale tension. Feel your feet grounding into the earth. Feel the gentle pull of gravity anchoring you here. The sound of rain surrounds you. Distant thunder rolls like breath from the sky. You are safe. You are still. Bring your awareness to your feet. Relax your toes. Slowly move upward, soften your legs. Unclench your thighs. Relax your belly. And remember, you're amazing. Let it rise and fall naturally. Drop your shoulders. And remember you're a miracle. Let your arms become heavy. Let go of your jaw. Let your tongue rest gently. Smooth your brow. Release your grip. And remember, you're amazing. Feel the tension dissolve. Let your body rest in this moment. Held by rain. Held by stillness. Nothing to hold. Nothing to fix. Picture yourself walking deeper into the forest. Your footsteps are soft on the rain-soaked path. Trees rise tall on either side of you. Mist swirls gently. Leaves glisten with droplets. You pass a stream. Its water is clear, dancing over smooth stones. Thunder echoes softly. You feel lighter with every step, and you remember, I am. The further you go, the more the world fades. There are no thoughts to chase, no voices calling your name, just breath, miracle just forest, amazing just rain. You're walking into peace, and peace is walking into you. Let go, go slow. You find a clearing. An ancient tree waits for you. Its roots stretch deep into the earth. Its branches shelter you. You sit beneath it. Rain patters gently above you. The thunder hums far away. Let yourself rest here. Ask yourself softly, what am I ready to release? What no longer belongs to me? What can I place down for good? Let the rain wash it away. Let the thunder take it far. You are safe to let go. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. You are amazing. Wiggle your fingers and toes. You are a miracle. Roll your shoulders. Inhale deeply once more and exhale with softness. You've journeyed deep and released much. Carry this stillness with you. Peace isn't a place you visit. It's a practice you return to.